Howdy, everybody. Back on the wheel horse. I don't know if it's supposed to do this, but for some reason, when I push on this brake, and of course, then the thing won't move. However, with the engine running and this belt on here, when you hit the brake, this does not stop. So the transmission's spinning and you can't get it in gear. You got the brake on, and if you put it in gear, you could start it. But once you get the engine running and things going, this thing's constantly spinning, and you can't change gears or anything. Now I don't know if it's supposed to be like that or not, but you got to shut the engine off to change gears. That don't seem right to me. So what I've done, I don't want to go into this transmission, and I don't know if that's supposed to be that way. Maybe it is. Don't seem right to me, but here's what I'm doing. I've made a thing here to go down here and rub against this pulley, so it will stop the pulley. Then you can change gears with the engine running. Now, how I found that, it's pretty easy to stop this gear. Actually, I could put my heel on here and it immediately stops without any problem. So right now I've got the brake on with this strap here. Maybe just a little more, but I think I want that a little more free play. But anyway, here's what I've been doing. Let me turn these fans off here. I've almost got it. I built this. Let me take it out of here and show you. I thought about welding that to that thing, but I changed my mind, so I just drilled and tapped the holes, a couple screws, and then that's going to rub up against the pulley. Now, I know this is a little bit of MacGyver thing here, but I figured if it works with my heel very easily. Right now I'm trying to get the right spacing. Right now the brake is on and this is back, so it would be dragging on the pulley to stop it. So, and the holes are pretty much lined up. What I'm doing, I'm heating, and I thought I'd spare y'all with all that, but and then I didn't want the metal to metal rubbing against each other. So I found this in my box of goodies. Sorry, off camera there. This will go in there, and this brass will rub up against the pulley. So let me get set up here, and we'll heat this up and see if I got it. Hang on a minute, please. Make sure I got it in the right way. I've caught myself putting it in the wrong way and bending it the wrong way. So I think what I got to do is go back some more, just a little more, so that this thing will fit. Anyway, you get the picture. I hope this is the last bend. All right, let's give that a shot. Hang on a minute, I gotta cool it off. Well, let's put this on here. It's gonna go like that. Set up here. All right, now the brake's on. This should be rubbing up against the pulley, ever so slightly. Bolts are lined up, and I still got a little ways to go on that brake. So, man, I tell you, that looks pretty good, really. Let me get those bolts in there, or screws, and I'll get right back to you. Hang on. I don't know if there's something broken in the transmission, or I don't know. I could have swore when that guy was showing me how it ran that he was shifting gears with the engine running. I honestly, I don't quite remember. And I don't know, I haven't tried to do it since I've had it. Until now, you know. I'd like to, I don't know, I guess I could ask on some forum or something. I don't know, maybe one of you guys, if somebody's watching this, knows. Yeah, for all, there may be something broken in the transmission, I don't know. I wouldn't be surprised. You know, you could run it like that, just, the only problem is, you want to change gears, you gotta set the engine off. You know, and that's a pain. Although, you know, once you start mowing, I don't imagine you have to shift a lot of gears. Alright, so I'm gonna go hit the brake, little, take up the play that I got. Alright, I'm going to take that strap off and see what we got going on here. Like I said, I don't know if it's going to work or not. Alright. I don't have the belt on, of course, so let's put the belt on it. Somehow. There we go. All right, there's where it sits in drive, right there. So you push the brake on to stop and stop the transmission so you can change gears. So there's that. Now the belt's not nice and loose, but you know, when you push this down and stop the mower from moving forward, and you want to shift gears, that thing's still spinning like crazy. So you can't even take it out of gear. You got to shut the engine off. So anyway, maybe this will work. We'll see. Like I said though, you know, there's a guard that goes here, so you're not going to be able to put your heel on here to stop it like I did. That's when I found out, you know, you stop this thing, you can stop the pulley, you can yeah, change gears. And one more thing. Over here, or no, where was it? Oh no, it was up here. It was up here. See, I put that new pin in there. What that does, I don't know, probably all knew this already. That lets you unloose. The other one is all bent up. It was bent down, so that thing wasn't doing the way it was supposed to do. Here's that. So, anyway, we'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching.